today's update, we've just had the pallet racking has been delivered and the boys are starting the installation in warehouse 2. The painters were in over the weekend and we've fully repainted all the walls just to tidy up the warehouse a bit. So the guys are cracking into the install today of the racking. We've got the demo guys coming in to demo the offices and stuff as well. You can see, guys, we've just finished painting the walls. Well, when I say finished, semi-finished. You can probably see the line there that we've still got to finish the demos here before we can continue. But the guys are stuck into the first run of racking. So it looks like the guys have got the first aisle in. We're going to get out of their hair and come back and see where they're at in a couple of hours. Hopefully they're getting closer to filling this whole warehouse with racking.
Some demolition has started on the new warehouse. They're starting to smash stuff up, pulling it all out. So let's go take a look, eh? Now this bloke coming through here, you got to watch out for him. So is your favourite movie Demolition Man with Wesley Snipes?
Demolition Man, yeah, definitely my best favourite movie.
It's the best movie, isn't it? We're about to go inside and we're going to see some Demolition Men in there.
Shoot down, mate.
Yeah. Now, one of the things that is going, unfortunately, is the company jacuzzi over there. Yeah, there will be no hot tubbing on the new premises at all. Now let's just go in. All right, we're gonna sneak in, gonna take a look around. So as you can see, we've got a lot of stuff getting smashed down, taken out. Take a look in here, all of this is getting smashed out. This whole section here is gonna be new showroom. Wow, this place is getting knocked apart, isn't it? Just see straight through, but this will be entrance to our new showroom. Have some new offices going in over there. I think all this glass is coming out as well, so that's all got to go. What do you reckon? Should we leave the window here for you, Phil? Perfect. You're gonna be looking out through that. The big desk is still here, so I think that's gonna have to come out as well. Maybe that might be my new desk. So as you can see, it's all happening pretty quickly around here. They're not mucking around at all. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll keep you guys updated with all the latest goings-ons.